Good morning, students. Welcome back. We are doing first terminal revision and today we'll be discussing the solutions of tenses. So let's begin. The police is investigating the murder case. Okay, now this is given in some other thing. Okay, we have to change it into as per indicated in the bracket. So it indicates that we have to convert the sentence into future perfect continuous. What is the formula for the same? We have to use will plus have plus been plus verb in the ing form. Okay, so let's start. The police will have been investigating the murder case. Understood, student? Next one. Was Sumit feeling hungry? Now here this sentence we have to change it into simple past. What is the formula for same? Now simple past positive formula is subject plus V2 plus object, but this is interrogative, so we will use V1 over here. So did will come in the beginning, then subject, then V1, then object. So did Sumit and feeling will change to feel hungry question mark at the end. Next one. Was he writing a novel? Again an interrogative sentence. We have to change it into present perfect. What is the formula? Has or have. Here we are talking about he. So with it we use has. So has he writing will change to written a novel question mark at the end. Next one. He will be composing a song. Past perfect continuous. We have to use formula for past is had perfect continuous been plus verb in the ing form, right? So he had been composing will come as it is a song. He had been composing a song, full stop. Next one. The girls have not eaten the food. Now this is simple past that we have to convert it into, and this is in positive it's a negative sentence. You can see the not word is used. So subject plus did plus not plus V1 form of verb we will use, right? Negative sentence it is, that's why. So the girls did not and eaten will change to first form of verb eat. Okay, and you can see passive the question is in the negative, that's why we have made the answer also in the negative. So the girls did not eat the food, full stop. Next one. Geeta announced the results of the painting competition. We have to change this into future continuous. What is the formula for the same? Subject plus will be plus verb in the ing form. So what will come? Geeta will be and announce will change to announcing, and then the extra word the results of the painting competition, full stop. Next one. He will prepare his speech by Tuesday. We have to change this into future perfect. So he will, or you can use the contraction also by combining both he'll, okay, and then have is your future perfect formula, have prepared. Okay, have plus has or have plus prepared. Sorry, this is future perfect, so will have we will use. So he will have prepared his speech by Tuesday, full stop. Next one. Had he been arranging for a get together? Now this is simple present we have to convert in. So do or does as it is in the question form, interrogative form, so we will use do or does in the beginning, and V1 form of verb we will use. So does, here your subject is he, so with he we use does. So does he, and arranging will change to arrange. Does he arrange for a get together question mark at the end. Next one. Did he buy a new mobile? Again an interrogative question. We have to change it into past perfect. So we will use had in the beginning. Had he bought a new mobile? Had he bought a new mobile question mark at the end. Okay. Next one. Will the watchman kill the snake? Again an interrogative sentence. Present perfect we have to change. In past we just use had. In present perfect has or have depending on the subject. So here the watchman is the subject singular, so we'll use it has with it. So has the watchman, kill will change to killed. Okay, so has the watchman killed the snake question mark at the end. Clear, students? So this is the solution that we discussed for tenses also. Here this is also completed. We'll be soon back with a new topic. Till then, practice and have a very good day.